Hi, this is Nick at DuraLabel. Today I'll be showing you how to load your Bronco Max industrial sign label print system. To begin loading the printer, I'm just going to start by facing this towards you. We're going to use this front latch, open and pull back. After lifting the lid back, you should see a spindle that will be in your print system. Also remove any supply that you still have in your print system too. I'm going to start with loading the premium yellow vinyl supply. Please note that all of our label supplies and ribbon are sold separately. I'm going to grab the vinyl supply box. I'm going to take that out. We're going to feed the spindle through the middle and place this into the supply well. And I'll put down the cutter so you can see me pull the vinyl supply forward. We have two guides right here so you can lock in place your vinyl supply. So I will do that. Go through, make sure that's there, and make sure that it's on the Platen roller itself. With the supply fully loaded, I'll put the cutter back up and we'll go ahead and start loading the premium black ribbon. We'll start by getting the black ribbon opened. We'll remove the top, grab that. Make sure that you have the sticker with the smart tag facing the printer in while you load it. So slide in like so, lock it, and close your lid. And that's it. Your Bronco Max is loaded and ready to print. Connect it to your computer, power it on, and you're ready to start creating signs and labels within seconds. For additional help, contact a DuraLabel support specialist or visit our product knowledge base at duralabel.com. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.